Hey guys, in the previous videos we have gone in detail about this Blackbeard fire plugs and learned every single thing we needed to know about this product before we make a purchase. So this video is just a combination of previous two videos, and also I have shared some more reviews and demo about this fire plugs. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Today we have something truly essential for every outdoor enthusiast, camper, and survivalist out there. Blackbeard fire plugs, a must-have for every backpacker, bug-out bag, and 72-hour emergency kit. I will cover every single thing you need to know about this innovative, must-have survival tool. So without wasting any more of your time, let's get started. So when you first get your hands on the fire plugs, the packaging itself is amazing. It comes in a thick plastic bag that feels premium, and opening it reveals the sleek fire plugs. It's compact and easy to carry. The build quality is amazing. It is coated with a wax layer ensuring its waterproofness. Yes, they're waterproof. Well, you rarely use water in the same sentence with fire unless you're putting out the fire with it. Well, it's not the case for the Blackbeard fire plugs. You can still light the fire with them even if it's raining and the plugs got wet. Second most amazing thing I find is that they're windproof. You don't need to be sheltered by walls or rocks to light a fire. Even if you're on windy coast on a rainy day and you can't even light up your cigar, the Blackbeard fire plugs will start your fire. Each bag of Blackbeard fire plugs contains a total of 50 fire plugs. The overall weight of the bag and its contents is 4.5 ounces or 128 grams. Each individual fire plug weighs a little under 0.1 ounces or about 2.6 grams. The size of the bag is 7 by 5 by 2. If you can't make fire in a survival situation, you're dead meat. People think that important survival tools are things like water purifiers, knives, or maybe even guns, but they're totally wrong. Fire is the most important survival tool, bar none, and here's why. Fire can be used to boil life-saving water without having to carry anything but a metal pot to boil it in. No filters, no gimmicks, just purifying heat. Fire keeps you from freezing to death. Did you know you could die of hypothermia in temperatures above freezing? Fire hardens wood into almost iron-like proportions. Fire's great for cauterizing wounds. Overall, fire is must-have. See what one of our customers said about this. Stuff works great. Easy to light, long burn time, works great in windy conditions. Highly recommend these fire plugs. Let my friend show you a demonstration of this insane tool.
Waterproof fire starters. Oh yeah? I don't even know what this is or where it came from. Not bad though. Looking good. Bend it back and forth a couple times and then roll it like that. So I'm going to take my trusty empty lighter, grind some dust on there, and give it a spark. They're waterproof, they're non-toxic, easy to ignite, 50 plugs in a pack, and they burn for a long time. Blackbeard fire plugs, I highly recommend.
So regardless if you're lighting a fire for cooking, barbecuing, or for warming you up out in the wilderness, you always need quality tinder. Here are 5 reasons why this is a must-have fire tinder for any outdoor activity or emergency kit. The first reason is they work. Yes, the main reason would be because these fire plugs are effective and efficient and get the job done, unlike other fire plugs that don't work under all conditions, temperatures, or weather. The second reason is they're waterproof. Yes, you rarely use water in the same sentence with fire unless you're putting out the fire with it. Well, it's not the case for the Blackbeard fire plugs. You can still light the fire with them even if it's raining and the plugs got wet. The third reason is they're windproof. You don't need to be sheltered by walls or rocks to light a fire. Even if you're on windy coast on a rainy day and you can't even light up your cigar, the Blackbeard fire plugs will start your fire. The fourth reason is they're cheap. Let's be honest, how much would you pay for setting up a fire and getting warm when you're all wet and cold on the top of a mountain? Or how much would you pay for it when you've invited guests for barbecue and they awkwardly watch how you struggle to light up the fire? Trust us, you'd pay a lot. But this fire plug is super cheap and affordable. The fifth reason is its longevity. 30-year shelf life. Forget about checking expiration dates every time you hit the trails or plan a trip. Once you buy these, they're good to go for 3 decades. That's right, 3 whole decades of worry-free adventures. We could go on for hours with the reasons why you need this in your life. Let's see what one of our customers says about this. Unbelievable product. I cannot recommend enough for every bug-out bag out there. Both my wife and I have this kit in our get-home bags. To have fire fast and easy in any situation, regardless of the weather conditions, is worth its weight in gold. Buy this today, for yourself and for your loved ones. What makes this Blackbeard fire plug special? Its wind-resistant and waterproofness. We understand that one of the most important aspects of being outdoors is staying warm. That is why the folks at Blackbeard have handcrafted a fully dried material that is both water and wind resistant and convenient in size and weight. It's non-toxicity and odorless. They start with fully dried and braided cotton rope and infuse it with our special blend of odorless, non-toxic waxes and oils. This treatment process allows our product to be completely safe to handle while being an extremely efficient and simple fire-starting aid. Its 35-year shelf life. One of the best features of the Blackbeard fire plugs is that they last for 35 years. Our unique blend of materials is guaranteed to not evaporate, deteriorate, or dissipate for 35 years and is designed to light up every time. Let's see what one of our customer who says about this product who is a professional hiker. Hi, I'm Mike. I love hiking, and these fire plugs are a must-have. Usually, when we're about to camp, we start looking for a place to spend the night, because we know starting the fire can sometimes be time-consuming. And that's a best-case scenario because sometimes it's nearly impossible to set up the fire due to the weather. Yes, sometimes we go to sleep wet, without a fire, and end up eating just some cold snacks. It alters the experience a little bit, but as I said, sometimes it's nearly impossible to light a fire, especially when it's windy. Blackbeard fire plugs change that. Since using them, we can camp anywhere, at any time, and light up a fire almost instantly. Since using these high-quality fire plugs, we never spent the night wet, cold, or without eating warm food. I can honestly say that it makes hiking a ton more enjoyable. The best part? Unlike most fire plugs, these are eco-friendly, which matters the most for us hikers. I strongly suggest all hiking enthusiasts start using Blackbeard fire plugs. In fact, everyone should have a bag of them in their homes, cars, and emergency kits, because you never know when you need them. Here are some people trying this insane fire plugs.
The most important things when you've been out camping in the rain like this all weekend is being able to get a fire going. You want to be able to dry out and stay warm. Well, Blackbeard Fire, they have some of the best fire plugs you can get. Completely windproof and waterproof. I'm going to show you how they work. Toss it in this water here. Get her nice, wet, and messy. And what you want to do now is you want to start folding and twisting in the middle here so that the cotton middle starts to get exposed like that. Break it up a little bit. Perfect. I'll just set it right here so I can show you when I start it with a striker here. And that's it. Now they're burning, and they will burn for quite a while. I've even got the wind going and they're staying lit. The fire plugs are great because they're light, small, seal up in this bag. I can toss them in my kit and always be ready when I'm camping in the rain, get a fire started.
We know you're already in love with this product, and we fully stand behind that. That's why when you purchase today, we're offering you a 30-day, 100% money-back guarantee. That means if you're not happy with your purchase for any reason at all, just contact us and we will fully refund your purchase back to your account. No questions asked, no hassles, and no questions asked. So what else are you waiting for? Click the link in the description and get your Blackbeard fire plugs now. In the next video, we will be going even deeper about this product and we'll see some real reviews. So stay tuned and thanks for watching.